playing hide and seek? There's a problem at the diner, ST. Carrie and Walter need your help to fix the hot chocolate machine. Careful with the slippery floor, ST. Well, that was close. You'll need to transform, ST. Ouch! That must hurt. The chocolate is still coming out on the floor, ST. Are you trying to prevent the chocolate from spreading? Are you looking for the control panel? Nice job, ST! Watch out, ST! Use the ST-3000! Are you going to use the freezing ray to freeze the chocolate coming out? Keep steady, ST. Good job, ST. Delicious. Thanks for saving the day, ST. Nice set of new tires. These are new tires from Massimo? They are awesome, Carl! The signal, Carl! Somebody in the city needs help! Quickly! Babies have discovered a mysterious path made of Lego. They are following it to find out what's at its end. However, they're completely ignoring the traffic. This may end up in tragedy. Help them, Super Truck!